20% discount. Best tent. You save $30. Alps Mountaineering Lynx 2-person tent. Product description. There's no assembly frustration with our Lynx tent series. This freestanding, aluminum 2-pole design is a breeze to set up. Product description. Polyester tent fly resists water and UV damage while adding 2 vestibules for extra storage space. Product description. Fully equipped with number 8 zippers, storage pockets, gear loft, aluminum stakes, guy ropes, and 2 doorways. Product description. The Alps Mountaineering Lynx tent is on our best sellers list. It's a must-have for your next adventure. Product description. Base size, 5x76, center height, 46, total weight, 5 pounds 12 ounces. Minimum weight, 5 pounds 1 ounce. Color, gray/navy. Care instructions, hand wash. If interested, click the link in the description to buy the tent. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.